Hello there, welcome back to group policy part 4. In previous video we have we worked on local administrator account, which is built-in account. We enabled and rename with the new name, and we set the password centrally. Alright, so the next part is group policy part 4. So here we will going to record your users login and log off through scripting. Alright, let me write it down here through. Okay, so record users log on and log off, log on and log off through scripting. So that means whenever your user logged in and logged off, you should get the notification, or log should be created, so you can make out from the one file centrally who is logging and what is what time and when the employee or users are living. Alright, as soon as the user shut down his computer, again you will get the log off notification in your log file. So let's get started. I want to make this tutorial simple and easy, as it is about the scripting, and everyone cares about the scripting and all, including me as well. So instead of creating a script in batch file and deploying directly into a work group policy, we will create the same thing on command prompt first, and we will check whether it is working properly. Alright, so let's open the command prompt first. If you are following this video and you want to deploy the same in your production environment, so just create a separate organization unit and apply the same group policy, and you can add your few colleagues' computer in that test organization unit for just testing and all. Alright, so don't deploy this thing directly on your production environment. Alright, so let's start it. What we want to record, this is the first question. So here let me change this path to okay, CLS. So now I want to record by adding this percentage user name. Okay, add percent command will come. You can add 1 space, 2 space, again percentage computer name, that means user is login from which computer, from which workstation, and date, what date, percent sign, close, space, you can give 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, it's up to you, time, percent. Alright, and from which server he is logging in, log on, server, percentage, and as soon as we hit enter we should get the results instead of error. So let's hit enter. Alright, it's working now. This is the R scripting. We can deploy now because we are getting the proper results here. We set echo username, which is here administrator, computer name, user logged in through which workstation, so this is a workstation in PDC. Alright, and date and time is a self-explanatory, and logon server means if you having multiple servers, PDC, additional domain controllers and all, so you can make out he logged in which server. So in our case we don't want this thing to be here, logon server, because only we have one server and it is even not mandatory. This will be the interesting part: username, computer name, date and time. Alright, so this is proper, but where this will going to save means you can see here, if you hit enter, alright, it is here. Now for example, you have 500 computers, thousands of computers, very difficult, so we have to run this script on all computer at a time, and they should report to our server. So for that, here we have to put this thing, greater than, give you you have to set your path here, which is C / log, just say a dot CSV, extension should be CSV. Alright, so it is saved here and we are not getting error. Go to save and open this A file which is created here, open it, Alright, it's working now. Username is username is administrator, and this is workstation. This is the date and the time. Alright, close it. It's working now. So now this is just for testing purpose, this command. Now what we want to do, we want to deploy this scripting in bat file, and whenever this bat file execute on the workstation side, we should get the notification on our server. Alright, so for that we have to create one shared folder here called log, and just say logs is enough. Right click, property, sharing, advanced sharing, share this, click on permissions. We already discussed about everyone. We don't want everyone to be here because only authenticated user who is part of our domain controller should access this folder. Alright, so just type authenticated, hit enter, and of course we require change permission because whenever this script will execute, it will going to write the logs in our log folder. Alright, for that we require at least change permission. So okay, security, here even you have to add authenticated users. So okay, change at least modify here, so apply. Okay, close it. We are just going step by step. Okay, we have shared one folder called log. Just check whether this log folder is accessible from the workstation side by typing your UNC path. We are on workstation now, /pdc/. Alright, this is the logs, hit enter. It is accessible. Okay, that means, and check if you have doubt whether it allows you to edit. Alright, so it's working now. Let close it, go back to our server. Now what we have to add one different thing, different parameter here. Just repeat this command again. Okay, now once this script run on workstation side, it should share with this, you can say this one. You have to add, you have to set your UNC path, which is pdc / your log folder path, which is here located on your desktop and which is shared already /. Alright, we have assigned the path. Now this logs we should want in this file name, login.csv, and hit enter. As soon as we hit enter, we should not get error. Alright, so error is not there, but this file should be created automatically. We have assigned the path and we said this file should be created. Open. Alright, this is the file which is created here. Just double click it and check. So data is here, log system is working now. Close it. Okay, I hope till now your concept is clear what exactly we are doing here. Alright, this is a login script. What if user logged off from his workstation? We want to record that as well. Script will remain same, the content, these parameters will remain same, but you have to just change the file name. For login, it will going to create login.csv. For logoff, as I said, the script parameter will remain same, but file name we will assign different. We will set different, logoff.csv, and hit enter. The file should create on. Alright, it is working now, but the path is wrong because this is csv only. Just delete this file, create it again, fire this query again, csv, hit enter. Alright, it's working now. Open it. Alright, so it's done, it's working properly, this thing. I think this is slow down. Okay, so let's delete this one. So we checked on our command prompt instead of deploying this script directly in your production environment. It is working fine. Let's create one script. Just copy this path which is tested and working fine, and this file is also been created. Open your text file and just paste this here. Okay, and save as on the same shared folder. Okay, and then just say log in dot, it should be bat extension. All right, bat file. So as soon as you open this bat file, the script will run automatically. Okay, again you have to save the same file, save as, with the different name, and the path will be different. All right, instead of logging in should be log off. Okay, save as. I'll explain you again why we are doing this thing. Log off. So we'll discuss why we have created these two files when we'll launch the group policy management console. All right, it is now no longer required. Close it. Text file even not required. We have already created our bat file. Okay, now open your group policy management console. First you have to create group policy object and say login timing. All right, hit enter. The object is created here. Let's configure it by right click edit. And so as I said, we want to trace users login and log off time, not computers. So this is the true part, computer and users. So this policy should be in users login. Click on this option, window setting, and script. This is the log on and log off. All right, now your doubts will be you don't have doubt now. It should be clear. For log on, we will add this log on with this path. Whenever the script run at the time of login, it will create the login file. All right, and whenever the script run log off script, we will add this log off file in log off script. As soon as this script will execute, it will create this file, log off file, in CSV format. All right, so okay, it's all proper. So let's double click on logon script and pick your file by UNC path, /pdc/logs/login. Okay, apply. Okay, and log off, add, browse UNC path, which is PDC located on our server /logoff file. All right, okay, apply. Okay, all right, it's done. So group policy is been created. Okay, let's check whether it is reflecting here. All right, it is reflecting in scripting, login and log off. So this has been created, but we have to link this group policy on our domain level because we want to trace everyone here, not this specific organization unit, sales or HR. All right, so let's right click on your domain, link an existing GPU, select your login timings group policy object. Now it is applied here on domain level. Right click and refresh once. Okay, let's go back to your workstation, and you have to update your group policy manually and forcefully. All right, gp update /force. It will update your group policy here. And let's open this window. All right, it's open. As soon as system login, we should get one file here. Okay, so group policy is updated. Just restart your computer once. It will not gonna take time. Alright, system is started. Let's send alt control delete to login. Type your password, hit enter. Password is wrong, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, go back. Alright, so it should create the login script only, not Logoff, but the both script is created because the group policy was updated before restarting, and it execute your Logoff script as well. We logged in, and as soon as we logged in this computer, group policy checked what kind of policy is applied for this workstation, and it found there is a login script, and the login script is executed, and we got this file. Alright, so login script is proper. Logoff script, it is also proper now. Now you might be having one question. For example, you have 300 user, and if 300 user logged in at a time, so will it going to create 300 files? Of course not. It will override your existing files. So let's check again. We have only one entry here. Okay, in Logoff we have one entry here in Logoff file. Let's close it. Log off your computer and check whether the script is executed again and in the same file, Logoff. Alright, see, the second log is recorded. Let's log in again, back to workstation, hit enter, go back to your server and close this. Open your, just refresh it and open your login. Alright, it's working smoothly without any error, and means without any problem, because we tested this thing on our command from one workstation. It was working fine. Thanks for your time. Like and subscribe for more videos. Alright, thanks a lot.